Welcome to Fight CLL TV. My name is Wendy Ronovich, and today we will be discussing hair. How to color your hair using a non-toxic, safe, certified organic product. It's estimated that over 1/3 of women over the age of 18 and 10% of men over the age of 40 use some type of hair dye. Studies show that there's over 5,000 chemicals in hair dye, and some of them are carcinogenic, cancer-causing. When I was diagnosed with chronic lymphocytic leukemia, otherwise known as CLL, I was very concerned about what products I should be using on my hair. So I reached out to my longtime friend and hairstylist, Robert Munoz, and asked, what should I do? I don't want to stop coloring my hair, but I need to make sure that I'm not putting anything toxic that would potentially cause more harm. So I thought, why not invite Robert to Fight CLL TV and ask the expert firsthand what us people living with CLL can do to color our hair and feel comfortable about that. So today we have Robert with us. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Wendy. It's a pleasure to be here.
Can you explain the difference between traditional hair dye compared to organic hair dye?
Well, Wendy, traditional hair dyes have chemicals such as PPDs, which are coal tars, SLSs, which are sulfates, and ammonia. And these chemicals are known to be harmful, to where organic products do not have these high levels of toxic chemicals.
Well, that makes sense, because I remember when I was using traditional hair dye that I would sometimes smell an odor to the chemical, and my eyes would burn or they would itch. But now that I've been using organic products, I don't notice that at all.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. And for myself as a hairstylist as well, when I use traditional hair dyes, I would get the same thing, to where my eyes would burn because of the fumes. And little did I know it was because of these toxic chemicals. So I don't have that anymore either.
Sure. Can you explain the difference between a certified organic product compared to just an organic product?
Yes, Wendy. I use All Nutrients Certified Organic Hair Color, and these products go through high standards of regulations and are actually certified to, and the reasons why I like All Nutrients Organic is because they get their products from Europe, which they have the highest standards of growing and producing these ingredients. So, yeah, absolutely.
So, if I'm understanding correctly, there's a difference between certified organic compared to just an organic product.
Absolutely, absolutely, yes, because organic products don't always adhere to these standards.
I know that with using the organic product for myself, that I think my hair color lasts a lot longer, and it looks healthier and feels healthier. In preparing for this interview, I did a little bit more research, and I found that in fact 89% of all ingredients in cosmetic products have not been evaluated for safety by any public accountability institution. So for me, I love hair and makeup and all that, and it's really important at this point that I make sure that I'm using certified organic products.
Absolutely, absolutely. You can also look for the little label that says certified organic.
Okay. Does the color last that long?
If we're using the permanent color line, then yes, the color does last long because the hair is not being compromised, and along with using the proper prescribed home maintenance, such as All Nutrients shampoo and conditioner, then yes, the answer is yes, because the color is not being compromised.
Do you know how our viewers could find someone who's certified in organic products? For me, it's easy because I live in Las Vegas and you're just a phone call away, so I'm lucky that I can go to you. But what about people that live in another state? How could they find somebody who specializes in these products?
Well, to find a certified hairstylist such as myself, you could call 1-800-221-3496, or viewers can visit the website, which is organiccolorsystems.com.
Well, do you have any last-minute tips for our viewers?
Well, Wendy, as a stylist of 24 years, I myself was not very comfortable in using products that could potentially be harmful to me. So by doing extensive research, I found All Nutrients to be one of the only products out there that really use the highest quality of natural ingredients that are actually organic and certified, and I find the colors are beautiful and they're natural, as you can tell. They're bright reds, and yeah, they're really great colors. I mean, they really are amazing. So yeah, absolutely.
Well, you've been a terrific guest. Thank you so much for coming on and sharing your expertise and sharing information with our viewers. I'm very fortunate that you took the time to research a product that would work for me, that I feel comfortable with. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you, and it's my pleasure, and anytime.
It's important at any stage of your cancer that you continue to live a full and healthy life. You can do this by practicing healthy lifestyle habits, and at the same time we can look and feel good about ourselves. Thank you for joining us on Fight CLL TV.